Okay, so the other thing I'd like you to work on today, just to give it a try, is this sheet called Rearranging Kinematics Equations. So it's just a bit more practice of rearranging equations like the ones that we did on the bottom side of the back of the math sheet. So you'll see on the front part that you have an equation that you'll probably recognize from grade 10 physics section of the science unit. A is equal to VF minus VI over delta T. And so over here it tells you what it would like you to do, which one you would like you to rearrange it for. So for A, it wants you to rearrange it for VI. Okay? You can do it right here on this sheet, or you can do it on a separate sheet of paper if you want, because you don't have to hand this in. This is just for practice, and we will go over it in class tomorrow. So we have A is equal to VF minus VI over delta T. And again, on the first part of the sheet, it wants you to rearrange for VI. So we want to get the VI all by itself, but right now it's over delta T. So the first step would be to get rid of delta T. How do we get rid of delta T? Well, it's divided by it, so we can multiply both sides by delta T. So when we do that, this cancels out, and so then we have delta T. I can really write better than this when I'm not holding a camera in my other hand. Okay? And so now I want to get VI by itself. It's a negative. I might be tempted to add it to this side and subtract the A delta T. Or if you want, subtract the VF and then you can multiply everything by VI. Okay, so if you subtract the VF from both sides, you will have negative VF plus A delta T is equal to negative VI. But we don't want negative VI, we want positive VI. So multiply everything by -1, and it'll become VF minus A delta T is equal to VI. I don't know about you, I like my unknown on the left-hand side, so I'm just going to bring it over here. All right? And so then you're done the first part. So then you go, the next piece, it wants you to take the same equation and just rearrange it for VF. So you go back to this starting point, you go back to A is equal to VF minus VI over delta T, and this time you're going to rearrange for VF to get it all along. Okay? And then the third time, it wants you to rearrange for delta T. Okay? So that's the first equation. The next equation is, where'd it go? Is D is equal to VI plus VF over 2 times T. And again, it just wants you to rearrange for VI. So I'm really doing this to see if you know like the order of operations. What do you need to get rid of first to try? In the end, you want to isolate whatever variable I have written here. Okay, don't stress about it. I just want you to try them, and tomorrow we will do them together in class. Okay, we'll go over all of them, but just see how you can do to see if you know, like, do you divide by delta T first? Do you, okay? So we'll go over them, give them a shot. There's the back side too. Even for those of you that are really good on the back, the one that's probably going to mess you up is the solving for delta T here. This guy will cause a problem, I promise. But that's all right. We'll deal with it tomorrow. Okay, so don't get stressed if this one causes you issues. Just leave it and try the others. Okay, and we'll do them together tomorrow. It's not to be handed in. All right, have a good day.